Okay, a quick demonstration of how the driver recognition alarm immobiliser works on the ST. So we arm the system using the forward key, nice and convenient. And we unlock the vehicle using the forward key. Our system won't disarm until it sees our driver recognition card. So you'll see a blue LED still flashing. The red LED, which is a status LED that tells us what the alarm's doing, that's flashing fast, which is telling us it's looking for this card, which I've currently got switched off. All the time it can't see the car won't start. Okay, and if 25 seconds goes by without it seeing the card, the alarm will trigger, indicators will flash, like so. Okay, so now the alarm's sounding. So if I introduce a card, I'll simply turn this one on, and our system's now disarmed. Okay, so if I now try and start the car, there we go, engine running, lights gone out, turn the car off. Now because I've turned the ADR card on, the driver recognition card on, this can stay all the time. The internal battery, 2032 battery, typically lasts about 18 months or so. You'll see it switched on because every 3 seconds or so that little light's flashing in there to tell us it's switched on. So yeah, you don't need to do anything with this card, just leave it in the switched on position. So now what happens is, with the card on, if I press the lock button on the full remote control, it's not going to lock because I'm in the car and it's got keyless entry. But if I get out the car, and I don't know if it will let me do it with a key in the car. Oh, here we go. Door was open. So that's our system armed. A couple of beeps from under the bonnet. Battery backup siren. Both the LEDs are on. That's solid now, telling us it's setting up the system. Once it's happy, it will start flashing. Now because I've turned that card on, we can now press unlock on the full remote control, and our system turns off as normal. So if somebody gets in the car with a cloned or stolen key, they can't turn our alarm immobiliser off. Obviously a tracking system's in there so you can monitor what your vehicle's doing, where it is, etc. But that's it, alarm and immobiliser with driver recognition, simply by keeping hold of your key fob. System arms and disarms by you pressing the button on the full remote control. Simple.